Porting out of US Mobile means transferring your existing phone number to a new mobile carrier, such as Verizon or AT&T, while discontinuing your US Mobile service. This is a right protected by FCC regulations, ensuring you can switch providers easily. To start, you'll need two key pieces of information from US Mobile: your account number and a transfer PIN, sometimes called an authorization code. These act as credentials to authorize the number transfer to your new carrier. The process is generally free and designed to be seamless, but potential downtime can occur if verification fails or during peak hours. US Mobile boasts a 99.5% success rate for outbound ports. In 2025, porting is even easier with the increase of eSIM usage. The easiest way to get your account number and transfer PIN is through the US Mobile app or website. Alternatively, you can contact customer service at 1-888-944-6757. You'll need to verify your identity, usually with the last four digits of your Social Security number or other account details. Once obtained, provide both the account number and transfer PIN to your new carrier. They will handle the rest of the transfer process. To minimize downtime, ensure your phone is unlocked and initiate the port during off-peak hours, weekdays 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. ET. Although instant porting is available for eligible plans, completing transfers within an hour, downtime, though rare, less than 1% of cases, can occur due to back-end carrier issues and is generally not due to user error. Keep in mind that porting only transfers your number, not your data plan or device.